Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, a topic that is being discussed a lot over social media is related to temporary foreign worker program, because even my history is the same. I too have come to this country as a temporary foreign worker and later I became permanent and citizen. So a lot of them talk about exploitation, like even IRCC has a program for vulnerable workers facing bad things. So in this video I'm gonna share my experience, that how my temporary foreign worker experience had been in Canada. It has been years, okay, many years have passed since then, like I would say around 9 years have passed. Yeah, so I had worked here for few years before I actually got the permanent residence, and to be honest, I never had any discrimination, nor do I faced any kind of abuse. I was always paid on time. I was always paid for overtime. I was provided all the benefits. I was provided reimbursement for my cost. So everything that a worker needs to work efficiently and what do you call independently was provided to me. I have no complaints related to that. Now in your team and all, there could be issues, there could be like problem between people. That's quite normal, but that has nothing to do with the program and the policies of your employer. So I would say I was lucky, very lucky, that I never had to encounter anything like that. So my experience as a temporary foreign worker had been pretty smooth, and for few years I worked. It was absolutely great. But again, it varies employer to employer, and like my employer is a huge my employer then was a huge IT company, and they never discriminated to me, I must say that. So that's what I wanted to share in this video, guys. Let me know your experience too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.